Join us today as we get ready for house guests. Starting a load of towels. Yikes, look at all this laundry. This is just mine. What I'm doing is putting the sheets on my bed. We have two twin beds because the base of our bed is adjustable. So he has a remote for his bed, I have a remote for mine, and the top goes up and down, the feet go up and down. It's awesome. And they make a king. And I get asked all the time where I got this comforter from, and I got it from JCPenney. When the bed's made, I'm motivated to get the rest of the stuff done. Okay, I ran to Walmart really quick. I grabbed napkins, trash bags, tomatoes, red onion, cucumbers, some strawberries, some organic limes, bananas, cottage cheese, hickory smoked ham. I bought some cheese and Callie's using it to make a grilled cheese right now. Yum. I bought some burgers for tonight. Derek's gonna smoke them up. I grabbed some buns and some eggs, some orange juice, and some Gala apples. Now that that is done, I'll put it away and get back to getting the house ready. In this bin is where I keep the company sheets and blankets as well. That way they're never used, they're always in great condition, and the guests only use them. I keep this in the closet under our stairs. They're all clean, ready to go. Okay, 2 blankets are on the bed, and then I have 2 extra blankets here for them, but these blankets are really warm, so they should be okay. I'm gonna replace this shower curtain. I am gonna put a new white liner in, but I'm gonna replace this with this gray and white shower curtain. I got this at home, and it was for $9.99, but they had it even more on sale. I think I only got it for $4 or $5. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take all this down, wash and scrub the shower. That is up. Now I'm going to put the new liner in and the shower curtain up at the same time. hope that motivated you to do something or get ready for house guests. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.